Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Okay, everyone, we're going to go ahead and get started with our December monthly. We have a lot of things to place on here, a lot of planning for the Christmas holiday. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to take these pages out. The books that we are going to be using is out of the Winter Hives Happy Planner sticker book. We have a photo play, which is some Christmas cardstock or 6x6 paper pad that we used. We also have the Merry and Bright sticker book, the Memory Keeping sticker book, Journaling sticker book. We have the Clever Plan Christmas Florals. And we have Mojo Jojo Plans boxes. The first thing I normally do is plan out my auto pays and my paydays. Our packet here of stickers that we prepared, and I also did some prep work on the Happy Planner. I forgot what you call these little templates here from Happy Planner, but I have used some stickers already for that, so we're going to go ahead and start using these. Now these big stickers here are for payments, and I like to place the big stickers on here to let me know that I have a payment that I need to actually pay instead of a automatic payment. Okay, so we have our large numbers there. Now I'm going to decorate this area up here, but we're gonna do the sidebar first. So I have this long black and white sticker from Mojo Jojo Plans. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and place our sticker. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to white out these lines. We're going to go ahead and place this right on top of here. Now I have one more of these paper stickers to place on here from this template. If I can get it up without tearing. A lot of people have problems using this because they said the paper stickers don't come up very well. And I can see what they're talking about. It is a little difficult, but you have to just take your time. I say it's going to be busy on this calendar. There's a lot of things that must be done. So we're going to gift wrap on the 20th. We normally do it several days before Christmas Eve. And this is the week when I'm off anyway. I took 2 weeks off. So we have plenty of time to wrap gifts. We have this little cute little gift wrapping packages. I think that's cute. Okay, so we're going to wrap gifts there. And I think this a quote should go here. I think it's so cute. Dear Santa, let me explain. I think that is just too adorable. We're going to place that right here. Winter begins on the 21st. So I have this craft paper that we're going to use some glue runner on the back here. And we're going to glue this down. Okay, so we are going to get started on this side. This is Christmas Eve. And then this will go here. Okay, so we're going to start putting on some labels here for things that I need to do, tasks. So I have a little check mark on the left hand side, so let me know what I need to do. I write it down here. This one. So I'm going to put this on fast forward and apply the rest of these. So now we're going to go ahead and write in. Normally I don't do after the pen, but we're going to go ahead and do it. You can get a good idea how I'll go by planning my December. We are done. I have it in the planner, and you can see that it's quite busy. So let me give you a quick run through what we have here. So over here on the sidebar, we have this cute little Merry Christmas. I love that. We have a shopping list. These are the list of items that I still need to get online or go to the stores and get, and then most of my husband and family gifts here. And then down at the bottom, things I need to do. I make a holiday cocktail for if we have company or for myself and my husband. I choose gift idea for favors, for gift favors for when a guest come by and I can give them the gift. We have 2 birthdays here. Let's see, on the 10th, we wrap those party gift favors, and I have them by the door, and I can give them out to anybody who serves our home, like postal service, lawnmower service, things of that nature. And then on the 17th and the 18th, we prep the fridge for recipe ingredients. And basically, I clean out the refrigerator, and I have these containers that I use, and these little shoe boxes, these plastic shoe boxes, and each shoe box have ingredients for certain foods, like a shoe box for the dressing, a shoe box for the desserts, and all those ingredients goes in that shoe box for each food item. So the refrigerator would be prepped for that. And then on the 19th, we have some things to do. We want to wrap gifts. I'll be wrapping the gifts for Randy, and he'll be wrapping my gifts. So we have like a gift wrapping party where we drink cocoa and have cookies and what have you. The first day of winter starts on the 21st. Kwanzaa is on the 26th. It begins. The 22nd, we prep the food for the holiday. And then we pick up appetizers for the 24th, because the 24th is our holiday movie night. And then we pick up appetizers for New Year's Eve. So that is it. It's a lot of things to be doing. So I hope you guys got an idea how I prepare for my month, December. And I hope it gives you some tips and ideas that you might want to adopt to prepare for your holidays. And this also gets transferred over to my 6-week planner for Christmas, so that will be ready. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.